Hello. Have you ever laid out a project, got all your materials together, and the project goes as you had planned up until the point when you do the test and you found out the material you chose was not the right one? Well, it happened to me, and here's the video to prove it. Hope you enjoy it. A little over a week ago, I broke one of my clamps. I've had this clamp for quite a few years and it's very handy. And I'm going to make a replacement end for it out of plywood. These are spreader clamps, and they're very handy. Self-ratcheting. So I need to get him back up and working. I'm going to use these 1/2 inch plywood to replace it, the head on it, and see how it works out. Now the bar is 3/4 inch wide and 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to need to cut 2 1/8 dados 3/4 inches wide in this plywood before we glue it together. Now we got it cut so we can put our slot in it. Now we need to bore the hole for the screw to hold the head on. Take a pilot drill. Okay, now we got that one. Clamp them together. Evenly. And then through to the other one. Now one side has to have a round hole and the other one has a, what I do with it, a tap that fits in it. And the way I install taps in wood is I measure across the flats since he thinks it's so hard to read. I do it this way, and this is a 7/8 inch across the flats. I take Forstner bit and drill the hole to the depth of the bit and then basically press fit it in. So let's do that to one side. Now we'll glue it up. Make sure we line our dados up. straight. Top and bottom. Now we wait for the glue to dry. Okay, now we got it out of the clamps. And since this is thicker than the original head by about 3/16, I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch, there it is, a 1/4 inch screw, a tap. The way that I embed these taps is like this. Screw them up, and then tighten the screw, and it draws the tap in to the wood. And back it out. And take a hammer and seat it all the way. As soon as it's flushed. Now we need to do some trimming and shaping on it. Got it dressed up and ready to assemble it. See how it works. Now let's try it again the right way. Well, seems to be holding pretty good. Uh-oh, that won't work. I'll have to use some hardwood. That plywood come apart in the seams. Oh well. Here's a close-up look where this failed, busted, in the backside of the slot. This plywood wasn't a good idea at this point. But this is red oak, 2 pieces that I've got cut out and prepared. You saw how I done that yesterday. I let it glue, set in the clamps overnight. So now I will cut it to size, dress it up, put it on, and give it a try. Well, got it on. And it's not busting out. That's what I done on that one yesterday, that busted. So I guess this one's a keeper. At least I'm going to keep it.